Hello, good morning. My name is Maud. I'm from SoftType Philippines Inc. and I belong to the business development team of SoftType Philippines. So this morning, I'd like to present to you our solution, NetSuite solution overview. So here are the agenda that I'm going to talk about right this morning. First is I'm going to talk about our company. So what is soft type Philippines and or a bit of our history. Next is what we heard from you. So our testimonials of our about our products and our services. And the third one is why NetSuite. So basically, the bulk of my slides will be coming from here. So you're gonna see the features, uh, the what we can offer, and the different uh, uh, information about NetSuite. So the fourth one is the visual flow. So you'll be seeing the visual flow of our financials, which is the bread and butter of NetSuite. So the fifth one is the demonstration. So I'll be using a demo account for me to show to you the features of NetSuite, how it looks like, what you can do to, to configure the website or the system. And the last one is the next step. So basically, I'll be asking questions from you, or you can while I'll be showing the slides, you can take down notes and take down your questions, and I'll be asking them on this last slide or this last step, or we can talk about when to meet again, and basically or hopefully close the deal by then. So that's it. So I'll start. So this is our team. um, on the left side, that's Dr. Arvin. So he is our global CEO. So uh, he and Mom Nana or Mom Juliana Luz started NetSuite more than a decade ago. So it all started in Palo Alto, in California, USA. So the dream started there, and it all spread from across the globe. So that's why they're in Philippines right now. So their presence in Philippines right now. They're trying to expand from Palo Alto to India and now in the Philippines. They're making our Philippine site as the headquarter for the Asian region or Southeast Asia region. Next is Ma'am Juliana Luz. So she is the CEO of SoftType Philippines Inc., where I am under. So she's our head. She's our boss, and yeah, basically with with her knowledge about the system, about the product, so she can really contribute to the growth of the businesses here in the Philippines. And that's me, the last one. So I'm one of three sales associates or four sales associates in the Philippines. So my area is in the Visayas and Mindanao region. So yeah. So about SoftType. SoftType is a global leader in cloud services and enterprise compute consulting. So basically, we offer consulting services to our clients who needs integration and streamlining of their business processes. So that's it. We do consulting. Then after that, we offer different products. Aside from NetSuite, we also have DSI and StoreHub. So why you as a client partner with NetSuite or SoftType? Because we serve as a one-stop destination for NetSuite across geographies and um, time zones. So uh, we are present in every corner of the globe. So you can assure you that we can assure you that we serve you, we support you in every step of the way. And next is we you optimize your current IT practices. So onto NetSuite's up-to-date cloud platform. So basically, your IT practices will be simplified. So because NetSuite will help in simplifying the IT processes, the IT work in your company. So uh, we will ensure smooth and hassle-free implementation through an iterative approach. So we will basically get the details, the minute details of your pain points on what requirements you need from us for us to implement the product efficiently and smoothly. And last and fourth is we build functionality rich vertical solutions to cater to your specific needs. So yeah, we do a vertical approach. We start from the bottom going up or from up going down. So it all depends on what you want to from us to start with, and we do comprehensive uh, uh, approach of identifying your needs. So, or I mean, specific approach in identifying your needs. And last one is support and train on the solution developed for each client. So after implementing, we also do support and we also train your specifically your administrator or you as the owner or the CEO. So it all depends on the client on who wants to be trained or who wants to know more about our products. So there you are, the testimonials from our different clients, from a general manager in a digital printing chain in Cebu to the CFO in Kenya company and the CEO of a large agricultural distributor in Visayas and the finance and daily user of a supermarket chain in Southeast Asia. So they love our service, they love our product. So here are the products and services we offer. So we do solutions consulting. So we talk to you first on what your needs are, on what your pain points are, and after that, after we agreed on those things, we do implementation services also. So basically, um, uh, we make sure that the implementation is on time, like uh, either on time or on or before the agreed implementation deadline. And also we do supply chain optimization. So we offer a product and service that will basically um, make your supply chain efficient, especially the logistics side. And you can do that. You can do that by just using your device, like your cell phone or your tablet or your laptop. So you can easily check it and do transactions there, right there and then, real time. So we also do data analysis. If you have data you want us to check and evaluate, so we can also do that for you. We do operational reporting, and yeah, we do also training and support services. So that's what you get from us for being our client, for being our valued clients. Next, so why NetSuite? So what's with NetSuite? What's with Oracle NetSuite? So NetSuite is the number one cloud ERP. So it started 20 years ago, and it has been around for all the big companies to use, and they loved it. It has become number one because of the service and the quality of the product we offer to our clients. And it has been used by 40,000 organizations and more or less 160 plus countries. And it has been, we have 5,000 plus employees globally. And we also have new products to offer like Suite People and Suite Success. So Suite People especially for HR department, and for Suite Success for those um, industry cloud solutions. So it will help be the industry cloud solutions be more efficient. And we are under Oracle, so we are a subsidiary of Oracle. So they acquired us last November 2016. So you can really see the trust and the confidence of a big company like Oracle with NetSuite, that they're able to get us and be their number one cloud ERP to offer to the businesses. So we also have data centers, massive global expansion for our data centers, field offices, and development centers. So here is the Suite Cloud platform. So basically, we are built on Oracle stack. So it's a very trusted or um, stable database. So Oracle has been around for more than 20 years now, and um, they built their reputation of being the most uh, uh, robust system. You cannot it's hard to hack the system, and it's very reliable to oh no, I mean reliable for the businesses to use. And we have a unified data model. We have a built-in platform. It's pure cloud. So basically, we don't have our clients don't use servers. They only need a stable internet connection, um, and a few laptops or computers or tablets to use, so that they can access the system. And it's multi-tenant. So these are our the the database, or what we use, the ERP, the SRP, and the HR, and the commerce side. So we have different um, solutions we can offer. So basically, these are solutions: the ERP, the SRP, the HR, and the commerce. So commerce includes POS and the website and everything. So our one world product, we offer a multi-book, multi-language, multi-currency, and multi-country. So it will ensure that it is an all-in-one package. So you don't need to get another product or package for the books or for the language or for the tax. So it's all there. And these are the industries we serve. So basically, most of the industries we serve, from wholesale distribution to manufacturing to nonprofit to retail to services to software. And our product is a very simple product. It's just a role-based product. So we can assure you that there is really designation of the functions. So from approvals to processing the orders to processing the purchases. So it's based on the access given to you, being, for example, you are the CFO, so you only get the CFO access, or if you're a sales rep, you only get the sales rep access. So yeah, I'll show you later on in my demo what it looks like. So our company, our product, the NetSuite product is built to run a business. For over 20 years, we have accumulated 149 billion plus of orders, and we have serviced 2 million projects, 2 million plus projects, and the purchase orders we processed are already in the 20 million level, and the invoices are already in the 186 million level. So you can imagine how it is really built for big businesses, for big scalability. So we expand when your business expands. So that's it. We have to adapt to your growing business. And we have 14 million unique quarterly logins. So imagine that one. You have 40 million users all accessing the same product, and without even any lag or any disruption to the system. And we add 9 trillion, 9 trillion bytes of data every day. So that's to ensure that we support your business's growth. So every day 9 trillion bytes. So that's a lot of bytes. That's a lot of data. So if your cell phone is only for 64 gigabyte, so imagine that one, 9 trillion bytes of data. So our operation, also, so the Suite Cloud is built-in platform is shown here, that it is flexible, it is powerful and complete. So you can see that for example, our uptime guarantee is that it's up 99.5%. That's an assurance that we don't go below that level, and the upgrades are done overnight with no version lock. So you can still use the product even if we're doing minor or major upgrades. As to the development, we have Suite Connect, we have Suite Talk, and we do Suite Analytics, so that to ensure that there is continuity in the development of the product. And the capabilities, so just like Google, we also have global search. So you can search anything within within NetSuite, within the system, for any global updates or any global inquiries you want to check. So it is also 100% browser independent, so you don't need to worry if it's okay, if it will run, if it would run with Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. It's all independent. You can use any browser. And we also are, because the world is all mobile now, so we also adapt. You can check the system in your tablets, your smartphones, and your laptops, and any device from Android to iOS. So here, customization is not a dirty word, because approximately 30% or possibly 40% of the NetSuite product is for customization. So 100% of our customers are in the same release, and we do two major upgrades every year and minor upgrades ongoing, possibly once a week or once a month or twice a month. So the good thing about this upgrade is that it is done by a patented phased release process. So it's not one time, big time upgrade. So there are phases done. Uh, for example, the first phase is that basic NetSuite upgrade. Then the second phase is that 10% only of the upgrade. The third phase is 30%, and the fourth phase, the last phase, the remaining percentage for upgrade. So it's a phase by phase. That's why we can guarantee you that we will never interrupt your system while doing your work. We will not interrupt your work. So yeah, the components available are here. You can access the system via website, via tablet, or via cell phone. So our NetSuite field offices are present in all parts of the globe. We have there in USA, in Netherlands, in Germany, in France, or in Dubai. So we are almost present in every corner of the globe. And our data centers. So we currently have six centers now. Our new data center is in Chicago or Chicago, Illinois. So that's in USA. So we have five more data centers to add. So hopefully soon. And three of them are in Asia. So that's China, Japan, and Singapore. So as mentioned a while ago, we are a unified data model. So from marketing to CRM to projects to order management, we can do that. And we have data analysis from real-time consolidation to reporting to scheduling. So there, and our role-based model to ensure security. So you can only access as a sales rep, as a partner, or as a vendor, or as a CFO. And we are built in every types of industry. So from finance to services to distribution to manufacturing. And we have actionable intelligence reports or dashboards wherein you can see at one look the KPIs, the gauges, the alerts, everything. So since I mentioned a while ago that the bread and butter of NetSuite is the financial side, the financial solutions. So here are the financial features of the NetSuite. So you can see finance and accounting. It's under there is the accounts payable, the GL, the AR, the cash management, and the billing also is there is subscription billing, the advanced subscription billing. In the financial planning side, you can see the what if analysis, you can have the multi-currency support or the comprehensive reporting analysis. And on the financial reporting, you can have real-time and on-demand reports. You can do global consolidation or compliance and multiple outputs. You can also have revenue management and global account and consolidation. And for order management, you can also have RMAs, quote and order management, and order fulfillment. And to the procurement, you can have purchase requisition approval, workflow. We also have inventory and production, warehouse management, and the SCM, which includes planning, collaboration, execution, and support. The CRM, the HCM, and the project management. So here you can see the greatest multi-company, multi-currency system. So we can support multi-currency if ever, for example, your global headquarter is in Korea and the other branches, the regional branches are in America, uh, EMEA, and APAC. So they have different currencies. We can also support that one. It will just integrate in the system, and different countries from Canada to Brazil to Korea or uh, Australia and Great Britain and China. So this is the visual workflow of our financials. So you can see that from the financials workflow, there are navigation portlets. You can see the chart of accounts. You can do bank reconciliation, journal entry. So basically, these are handled by the controller. And after this, I'll just go touch a bit more about the administrator so that you can see the tax report and how it is being generated. And yeah, just a few access to just a one-time access to administrator for the tax report. So you can see we will touch the exchange rate, the um, gain or loss on FX, the fixed asset management. You can also see the depreciation, the period close management. So the budgets, the balance sheet, income statement. So it's all there. Um, so now I'll be doing a demo. So let me open first the demo account. So here is the demo account. So what you're seeing now is the dashboard of a controller. So let's just say control's name is James Gautier and the company is Gill. So Gill Company Inc. So you can see the dashboards, the different portlets. The left side, you can see the reminders. Being a controller, you are more concerned about the invoices due, the bills to pay, the purchase orders to bill, the RMAs, the sales orders to approve, sales orders to invoice. So you can also set this up if you want to add more or if you want to remove um, the reminders, some of the reminders. So you just click the setup. So you go here, the three stripes, and you click setup. So you just go to the standard or the custom to choose. So it's all here. If you want credit cards to approve, it's all here. Just click that one and it will be transferred to the right side, and then click save. So that's it. You can see the credit cards to approve now. So on the right side, you can see the financial ratios. What are the changes from your, let's say, your receivables turnover? So it went down by 18%, or from your debt to total assets, it went down again by 2%, or from your profit, yeah, it went up by 19%. So that's it. It's just one look, very easy. And the KPI, you can see the sales for this month versus last month. And Um, it's very easy to do with your eyes. So it's like you're just trying to get the data as soon as possible in just one look. Before I continue, I'd like also to show to you on how to personalize your dashboard. Let's say if you personally want um, color orange because your company is more on an orange concept or theme. So you just go to settings and then scroll down, you look for the settings and then click set preferences. So here you can add nicknames to your profile, or you can also change the formatting, the date formats. So in the appearance side, so here it shows the default one. So you can change the font and the colors. So let's say orange, so that one, and you like the Verdana. So you click save. There you are. You can see the change of the dashboard, and it's now pleasing to your eyes because you want the orange color. So also the font style is changed. So that one. Also, if you prefer that the settings be bring up, or you don't like to scroll it all the way down, you can just actually drag this one. So you can see the cross sign. That indicates you can just drag. You click, that's left click, and just drag wherever you want to bring to place it. So for example, you want to place it above the income by period trend, so that's it. Or you want to place it above reminder, so you just go up first and then you drag. So that's it. So easy. It's like you're just playing a puzzle. So that's it. You can just drag it. And for your um, key business drivers, let me just show you in the financial ratios. You add it, and you can see that the formula on how the financial ratios are derived can be shown here. So you can see it here. So it's already pre-populated or pre-done by our consultants. So you don't need to worry about it. So it's all there. That's the beauty of this system. Um, you can just tell our consultants to use this formula and that formula to set up the ratios. So let's go to the KPI. As you can see, that in the KPI, you are more concerned about the receivables, the payables of the company. So for example, you click the payables or the profit this period, and you can all see the income statement already. You can see the sales, the cost of goods sold, and there it's all in one look. The nice thing about this one is it's very configurable, so it's 100% configurable. So all you have to do is just change the period if you want to let's say check the last fiscal quarter, and you want it to be done by only one subsidiary in the US. So that's US1. For example, US1 is the name. And Yeah, you can do that one by total, the total of the US1 subsidiary. So just click refresh for you to get the figures for the US1 subsidiary. So this one, you'll see now the figures for US1 subsidiary. Or if you want um, in the headquarters context, so let's see. And then you want to see it by subsidiary, you can also do that one. So click refresh. There you can see the subsidiaries. US1, US2, and the total. So you can do a comparison. So US1 is generating more sales than US2. Also, aside from this one, if you want to show a graph comparison, so you can just click the graph icon below. So it's in the lower right side of the screen. So you can see the graph. You can configure it. Or if you want an export and to export an Excel file or sheet for this data, you can also click the Excel export button, and also the um, if you want a PDF file, you can also click that one. So it depends on you what so let's see the Excel file. So you can see it here. It's how it looks. That's how the Excel file looks. And the PDF file. So there. It's very clean, a clean report that you don't need to manually process anymore.